I was browsing through my TikTok feed the other day, and I stumbled upon a video of Emma Chamberlain talking about the gelatin trick that's been taking the platform by storm. Apparently, she's been using it to boost her digestion and wake up feeling refreshed, and I have to admit, I'm intrigued. The gelatin trick, for those who are new to it, is a simple daily ritual that involves mixing unflavored gelatin with water to create a soothing drink that can help with gut health and even support weight loss. As I delved deeper into the world of gelatin trick enthusiasts on TikTok, I noticed that people are raving about how it's helped them drop that heavy feeling after meals and even improved their skin. It's amazing to see how something as basic as gelatin can have such a profound impact on our overall well-being. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of this humble ingredient to create a positive ripple effect in our bodies, and I'm excited to explore it further. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information. And don't forget to take a look at the pinned comment below for some valuable tips to get you started with the gelatin trick.